I don't know. I just remember it being so much brighter, I guess.
Hi guys, so it's the night before the photo shoot and I am tired as hell. I just reached home from church and I had stuff planned to do, like to shave my hairy legs before I'm tired. To shave my foot them before so that I wouldn't have a lot to do in the morning. And first it was supposed to be at 12 and then the guy changed it to 10 a.m. So as you can see, I'm looking crazy. Let me show you my foot. I'm coming like monkey. You can see that? Yeah, my foot area, I look like monkey. So I definitely need to work on that. And before I go, there's one thing I want to say, like this is kind of my first official photo shoot and my period. I don't know what to expect, of course I don't, but I'm just hoping for the best and I'm nervous and everything, of course, but at the same time I'm excited for the opportunity, because not that I've always wanted to be a model, because I don't really see myself as being a model, but just being out there, putting myself out there. I'm already on YouTube, so yeah, so I'm hoping for the best. I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. It's 10 minutes past 7 and I want to get up and start getting ready, but I just want to sleep. But first I'm going to take a shower, shave my legs and everything, and then I'm going to do my hair. Shanique has decided to, no, I know she decided me beg her for accompany me.
Yeah, she begged me. And I couldn't say no.
Because she loves me.
Because I love her. You look cute though.
Yes.
Every time one video reached me, I end doing an album. I can't see me carry my eyes out.
So I'm at, remember there, U-Tech.
U-Tech, we're gonna look food.
Yeah, just like I look food, and even though I'm late as usual, but the guy late too, so. I gotta get food. And hopefully I'm not call me while I'm in the line or nothing like that.
Is this something?
And no, from my vlog. Oh, the blue. I have to see my up close. So we got Burger King. And book up on a big lock door. So
well, actually, I never see.
Yeah, I try to open the door and say it like. But the guy ready still, so we're gonna go back in the water. Okay.
Yes, we can.
So we're gonna go back.
We'll do underbelly.
Hopefully we'll find food on the way.
Hopefully.
So we end up at Tasties because, this is a Burger King like earlier. So, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, we're there at Tasties and we're just gonna buy a patty, so hopefully later in the day we'll buy. Hopefully later in the day we get something else to buy. In that area.
Pardon?
Alkaline say him like people with just like entertainment.
Yeah, him say when he came to church, he was always by himself. And you know, one dark corner or some.
Really?
Yes.
Dark corner?
Yeah.
I know what you're saying. I don't know which part of Jamaica we're there. I don't know where in Jamaica we are, but we're the Cafe Blue. But I don't say no one there Jamaica though, but I'm not really a fan of pastries. You buy nothing? Buy coffee. Buy frappuccino. Like coffee with ice. Not with ice, with like how an ice smoothie with a taste, with a like slushy.
the mocha taste.
What that there?
Or latte.
Them they're not icy.
What's the triple berries? 700? 750. And the cheesecake are for 650. Yeah, the carrot cake for 450. And chocolate cake is for 450.
And what is this?
That's plantain tart. Yeah.
What's it in?
Well, the cheese
Plantain.
tarts. And you have apple pie.
Buy it then. You know what it? Buy it. It look
What?
nice.
This is chocolate as well, right?
Chocolate mocha. That's coffee with chocolate.
Oh, what is it? Just straight
Plain
chocolate.
chocolate cake.
Oh, that's nice. Can I have you guys blood? Yes, we are. Say hi again.
Yeah. Say hi, Denzi.
Hi.
My new friend.
Girl. Oh God, that looks nice.
That's the frappuccino.
Yeah.
My bat's already nice.
Are you buying it?
So you want to get the frappuccino instead of the cake? I'll probably make up our mind.
The chocolate cake look nice. And the frappuccino look nice too.
Wish I could have buy one, I'm sure. That man say look like the cake she want for sure. Buy the cake then, Shani.
Okay,
Which cake?
The chocolate one.
Chocolate cake?
I should be the other person of a post online and I don't look cute.
Of course I look cute. My hair look flat and just dead. I want it to up in the ear. So.
Now I'm okay, girl.
It's still wet.
Dry.
Oh no, something to drink. No mind at the pan. You almost took for what time.
Oh!
Okay, so we settled on the chocolate cake.
You done shoots at Rosa, right?
We have arrived. Shani go asleep. Go asleep.
It's very cool.
Yeah, beautiful. I love it. Beer bush. Wow. Shanique, are you loving it? Okay, you want, that was just ask if you want to spread on bed.
Oh, Lord, we're there.
Any outlets to charge a phone? No? Okay.
No, we're there. Let's see what we're there.
Okay, just sure.
Say hi, everybody.
Say hi.
Hey, what going on? I was trying to figure out too.
It's so beautiful.
Cabin over that side. I'm not taking the long way. We're just going to walk up from here and go around. Man, yeah, so I think that's a decent walk. You know what?
And Shanika enjoy
Well,
her
what we
cake.
can do, we can leave it in
You're not
cabin.
going to water though? You're not thirsty?
Girl, we just
Leave
want to
them there.
sleep.
Because the guys normally.
I hope you. That would I too. Probably Sunday that you would feel it.
3 cabins.
One of the cabin was staying, I would just camp.
Oh.
Tent.
Oh, you set up tent.
Oh. Did you go down to the waterfall and thing?
We don't go so far. We have children, you know, look at children.
Oh.
I feel like mega get cool, so I put on back my cardigan.
We don't have them kind of insurance there.
True.
Can't be too careful.
No.
And yeah, and I have so much chaperone for I watch.
Exactly.
Okay, so I see what I'm saying when they say it can get cold.
Yes.
It gets a bit windy, isn't it?
Yes. Look at things. I'm take off back my shorts and put on pants. I say, no, I'm gonna just bring the shorts instead of.
I got all the way. So when I came here yesterday, I was just walking. You know?
Oh, you just come check out the place?
Yeah, I had to make sure. But you know, I'd like.
See
if it wasn't
some makeup done. But she don't start yet. Let's go.
Oh, so you're going to be like recording all of these?
Maybe part of it.
Why do you know what I'm looking something from my face? I'm going to look on YouTube
Say hi, makeup artist.
No.
She don't want it.
What you thought?
I didn't think it was
Went
that.
around to Ashley now.
Not even your friend. Come here, tell me. I was like, how you following me? It's okay. You made it sound like it's 40, 50. You know what I mean? That's when she said that, she was like, it's okay. I was like, oh, not going too good. But what? 7,000?
Well, I like excitement.
Say hi, Punchinella.
Hi, Punchinella.
With natural hair events and stuff like.
That's why you went to the forest thing, right? Yeah.
Them time them did have like 100, 200.
Oh, okay.
Say hi, cameraman.
Oh, hey, what's up? Yeah.
Photographer.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Say hi, photographer.
What's up?
My bad, people, my bad. How do you end your vlogs?
Let's press the red.
Boy, I'm gonna use them something here and I'm using not a vlogger. No, I know how to stop it. I mean...
No, me just stop it.
Oh.
Don't drag it out. Living like that doesn't mean it.
In terms of their lifestyle
Yeah.
and how productive they are.
The conversation really want to
Apparently
text
the
you. Them talk
Kingstonians
about country.
Yes.
and the Portmorians. Oh, I don't know what they call it, Portmorians.
Put more girl in.
Wheresoever that live in the Kingston area,
Yeah.
they're all about looking cute, seeing what they can get from a nigga. So they're saying the country girls now, they have more value. They get more value out of it. Like, they're seeing... what's the
Wife.
word? More wife.
Wife
Yeah.
material.
They will wife the country one day. The one them for from the country, have them regular 9 to 5 in Kingston. They stay home. They don't really do much social media. You know, they're pretty chill and let them have bigger ass than the one
Yes.
them look
I hear that too.
Oh, man.
Baking my face. Jesus, my first mess of myself
You
looks
will get
so.
the complete opposite of that.
Wow.
Okay. You are going to get...
don't put eyeliner on my bottom lip.
No, you're not getting...
Him, that. Like, I like working with those guys.
Do y'all see my
That,
eyelashes?
we did a shoot like a month ago, right? So we did a shoot a month ago.
No, but that's the one say looking at the camera. It look good, girl.
Do y'all see my eyelashes?
You ever work with Courtney?
Butterfly fly away.
You ever work with DPW, DWP? Dexter?
Not Dexter, you mean Dwayne?
Hey guys, so Ash is in the middle of her shoot. I'm gonna give you a little tidbit of how it looks. I'm gonna give you a little tidbit. There she is looking all hot. Look at that, guys. Oh gosh, she is gorgeous. Look at that there.
Pull it down, look it down a little bit. Pull it down a little.
Pull down what?
As in your face.
Okay.
Look down a little. Slightly look up. You have a very shy type of thing to you.
Awesome.
Hold up.
Little baby
Drops,
strawberry.
yeah. No, I'm good, man.
See this luscious
You know what I
one?
dropped, Steve? Yeah,
Okay, sir.
Awesome. Oh my god.
Your eyebrows are on fleek.
Yes, girl.
Oh.
Say hi to the camera, mommy.
Hi. Hello.
I want to go up. I want to take the fog in the background. Come with me.
My lip look like I'm hungry. After them, I put the girl.
Are you videoing?
After them, I put the girl, but the lipstick fit me. After 50 shots, them want to take off
guys,
the
I
lipstick.
hyped at the first application when it was nude.
When I see the picture, you never see. When I see the picture,
Then when I started to see the photos, it was,
I go so.
I never wanted to say anything like that, but girl, I got it wrong way.
We walk all the way uphill. I got the wrong way because we are chatting.
Hi guys, come here, chat. I got it wrong way.
Because of Shanique. Slow down here, come now. I can't pop a lick.
Some healed up here, see? My brother. Go, mother.
Climbing mountain. Yes.
No man, them are something.
You really think that would have broke?
It's my way, right?
No God. Slow down, guys. Shanika struck. We're at the cabins. Look at the cabins. Yeah. Say hi, model.
Hey guys.
Oh God.
May I enjoy my lessons.
Oh God. I'm so tired.
Good like this. Put your hands in, yeah.
You have to let the people pass, yeah?
Can
You can pass.
Can pass.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys.
Say hi. Hi.
And what at the Sony? At the Sony camera that?
No man, it's a Canon, no.
Yeah.
Canon teach you that.
Oh mad.
Yeah.
Oui.
Hey, no man.
Say hi to us. Mine here, yeah? Mine respect you.
I don't like him.
No man, it's not that man. Alright, come on.
The photo shoot over, it's been over, and my battery dead. I'm just get a little 7% for kinda get a
Vlog
little.
the last.
Yeah, but hopefully when I'm going to the car, I can get to charge my phone a little more. But we're still here enjoying nature,
We look tired.
enjoying Jamaica. She don't look tired. We don't look tired. We look beautiful. We look gorgeous. So she do my eyebrow. She do my eyebrow good though.
It do need. My eyebrow not too bad enough. Done by done by me. Done by
So we're gonna walk back. Hopefully we're heading back home now. Cause them want do things. Oh, and look for my eyelash. That's it, them eyelash, you know, long more eyelash. Lord God. Yeah, so I bring nothing.
No.
So we're
It was a
heading back.
productive day.
It really was, and Shanique helped. If it wasn't for Shanique, God no, I don't know. She helped through it in a. What would I say? She was
I
the
was
most
like your backbone.
creative.
Yeah.
She put forward her
Assisted.
creative ideas.
I did.
Big assistance to the photographer. She helped him out. He really appreciated her. But yeah, it was a good day,
It was a good day.
and everybody worked together. And
We're hungry now.
sweet, sweet Jamaica. That was music. Singing sesh. Old friend, oh hide from blue you uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I'd hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but I found heaven on earth. You are my last, my first. And then I hear this voice inside sing Ave Maria. I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town.
No, in a
Torn up town.
Yeah, this one I found out. We're going.
In a torn up town.
Right. When I come sing,
No postcode AD. And every song's like gold teeth, gray roots, stepping in the bathroom, and they don't know we don't care. And everything like gold, they like diamonds on your time, blood they no, we don't care. We are caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It don't run in our blood. This kind of luck just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I rule. Let me live that fantasy. Oh. It's now after 9 and I'm home. Finally. I'm tired. And I'm going to eat and just relax a little bit and then go to bed. Check out my eyelashes though. Oh Jesus. Today wasn't bad. I didn't get to vlog everything because I had to be preserving my battery and my space because you know iPhone. I know I forgot to wash off the stuff on my face. But camera there now. Never remember about that part there. But anyway, now I forgot to wash off this. I'm gonna take off my eyelash coming down the eyelash glue. Okay, mama. Good night guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.